we're invested in several markets. We've got a strong concentration in Texas, me being local here to Dallas, but we also invest in Oklahoma, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, Arkansas, South Dakota. So we're constantly looking at different markets, is my point. The things that we look at the most is job growth. A lot of things follow job growth. Your population growth, if you've got a lot of jobs, your population is going to increase. People are going to go towards those jobs. And then also the fundamentals within the local government and how they treat landlords and how they treat small businesses or just businesses in general. I think that really helps as well to sustain growth. Those are the kind of high level numbers we look at, and then after that we dig in a little further, especially in the micro market, that sub market of the deal that we're looking at is. And crime is something we like to look at a lot. You can always fix up an apartment, but it's hard to fix up an entire area around an apartment, right? So population, job growth, crime, those are some of the major things.